Hello and welcome to a District 228 Tech tutorial. Today we're going to be talking about using the Savvas Reader and a couple of the features that are available for your electronic textbooks. So the first thing you need to do is be logged into PowerTeacher. Once you're in PowerTeacher, you'll see towards the top right this little arrow for the applications. It's a little box with an arrow pointing to the right. And you want to select Pearson courses. When you are in this screen, you'll see something that looks like this. It should have all of your classes listed for your current classes. Please note if it's for second semester or if you're trying to do this even a day before your classes begin, everything will be in your future classes and you will have to make sure that that is taken care of as well. Some departments have their supervisors take care of this section of assigning the products to students. But if you ever need to, you can make sure that you're going in here and either add or manage products to make sure that you have all of your correct books for that class. So once you have made sure that you have the correct products, you want to select Realize in the right-hand side. This is going to take you to the Realize Reader. This is what your students are going to be using. SuccessNet is currently a Flash-based program that is being phased out, so Realize Reader is the best way to get your students to access this platform. Once you're here, there's a couple of different features you might want to take a look at. The first in this little Pearson icon in the top right, if you click on Settings, under My Programs, you can make sure that you have the correct textbook selected. That'll make sure that you have all of those textbooks for your class. If you notice that something is not selected when it should be, please reach out to your department supervisor so they can help you get that fixed. The second thing, under the Classes tab, you should see your classes listed by semester. If you see this little icon in your class that has the little Google Classroom chalkboard, that means that that is your Google Classroom. The ones without it are the ones that are being assigned in the textbook app. So essentially, you have the option here where you can import a Google class. When you do that, you're able to post your assignment straight to Google instead of posting it to the textbook itself. Some assignments are a little bit easier one way or the other, but either way, you can go ahead and take care of that in this menu. If you have hidden a class, because these classes have first semester and second semester, so you could always hide a class or say you're using one or the other, your Google Classroom, but you're not using the textbook assignments, you could potentially hide a class. It's going to ask you if you're sure. You can say okay. If you did that by mistake, you don't really want to make sure that both are hidden or your students are having any issues finding the icon for Realize Reader, you can select the hidden button that will appear once you have something hidden, and you can unhide it just as easily. So every once in a while, the problem with assignments not showing up either on the Google Classroom, the textbook assignments, whichever one you've done the assignment in, is because you've hidden a class and you've accidentally hidden that assignment. So those are some basic things. The last thing I want to show you is if you're having a problem, you've reached out to us and it seems to truly be a Pearson issue, you can click on this question icon up here for technical support. And when you select technical support, they have this technical support form on the left-hand side so that you can fill this out and get assistance from the Pearson representatives. If you have any other questions, contact a librarian for help. Thank you and have a great day.